Module 1 is about Introduction to Thermodynamics. The course outcome is the ability to acquire and explain the basic concepts in thermodynamics. So we have a few course learning outcomes. By the end of the chapter, students should be able to explain about the system, boundary and surroundings, the non-flow for the control mass or closed, and flow for the control volume, open processes. Intensive and extensive properties, zeroth law of thermodynamics, thermodynamic states in equilibrium, and the processes of isobaric, isochoric, isothermal, cycle, steady flow processes. So the contents is divided into 4, which is the first one is about the system, boundary and surroundings, the non-flow and flow processes, intensive and extensive properties, and thermodynamics, states and equilibrium. So what is thermodynamics? Thermodynamics is coming from the Greek words, which is therm. Therm is heat plus the dynamics for the power. So it's a kind of the power of the heat application, and it became thermodynamics. And it also is about the study of the energy for the transformation of useless energy, which is heat, to useful one, work as a work or power, where we have the interaction between energy and matter of liquids and gases. So some of the application of thermodynamics are in the household utensils, appliances such as air conditioner, heater, refrigerator, the engines, automotive, aircraft, rocket, on the plant, factory, in the refinery plant, power plants, and the nuclear power plant. Okay, so this is a system. We have system, boundary and surroundings. This is a system. System is the region chosen to study the changes of a physical property, and the dot lines in here is the boundary. Okay, the boundary is real or imaginary surfaces that separates the system from the surroundings. So this is the region of system. Outside of the system is the surroundings, region outside the system. So the one that separates between system and surrounding is the boundary. Okay, we have two types of boundary, which is fixed and movable. Okay, so this is the wall of a piston. This is a piston. So this is a fixed boundary, which it is already fixed, it can't move. Okay, and this is the lid of the piston. It can move up and down, up and down. So example, here we have gas for the mass of 2 kg, and the initial volume is at 1 meter cube. When we give some heat, the gas will expand. Okay, so when the gas is expand, the volume of the gas is expand. It will push the lid of the piston to the top. Okay, so it means the lid of the piston will move to the top, and so this is what we call as moving boundary. The boundary can be moved up and down. Okay, this is moving boundary, and this one is called as fixed boundary. It can't move. Okay, so that's the difference.